Hello, Ifi family. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Umesh Lamani. I am from Karnataka, Dharwad district, India. My education I am completed my PUC in Anjuman College, Dharwad, and also I completed my retail management course in Bengaluru. My experience are I worked in Tata West side as a store associate. After that, I worked in Network Clothing Company Private Limited. After that, I am joined the Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited as a store manager. Why I love the IFI? IFI is exclusive collections and every piece of maintain the standard. Yeah, IFI is the largest jewelry manufacturing company since 1979 in North America. It's called King of Colors. If we have a 5,000 unit style, men and women, and I looking the better future and my growth myself in IFI is the best platform for me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.